Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change the slow motion speed on Redmi Note 15 Pro smartphone. First, let's open the camera app on this device, then let's swipe up the mode selection and select slow motion effect. Now, as you can see here in the top right corner, we can change the quality of the video and also the frame rate. Now, for Full HD videos, we can only use 120 FPS FPS mode, but if we change it to HD mode, we can switch between 120 and 240, and basically the higher the FPS level, the longer the playback will be in the final video. So that's basically one way that we can adjust the slow motion speed, but it's not the only one. Let's record a sample video, and then let's find it in our gallery once it's recorded. And now to change the speed of the slow motion, what we can do is tap Edit, then wait until the video is transcoded, and then select Editor, then go to Speed, and here we can either increase the speed of the video by moving the slider to the right, or decrease it by moving it to the left. As you can see, we can make the video as much as 5 times slower, as many as 5 times slower, or 3 times faster. To apply changes, just click OK, and then save the video. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.